Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can add an expense to your Money Manager budgeting app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Money Manager budgeting app on your device, and once you open it up, you will directly be taken into the transactions page. Here you will find all of your income as well as expense transactions. To add your expense, click on the plus icon and then make sure that expense is selected. Now choose the appropriate date when this transaction happened and then enter the amount of your expense. You can also choose the category from the category menu, and after your category has been selected, you can choose which account you would like to place this transaction into. There are three options available by default, which is cash, your bank accounts as well as your card. Choose the appropriate category it falls into, and now you may also add some notes if you wish. There is also the option to add a description and a photograph along with it. You can press the camera icon to take a photo and then save it within your description. If this expense is a repeated transaction, such as your utilities that occur every month, then you can press the repeat icon and then choose from repeat and installment. After choosing the proper category, you can choose the frequency of this transaction, and once you are done, you can click on the save button. After confirming if you have set it as repeat by choosing the yes button, this will now be added to your expenses within your transactions page right away. And now your expense has been added, and if you have already added your income before, it will be deducted from your expense and from your frequency settings right away. You can then check them within your stats and get a rough graphic representation of your income and expenditure both. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your expenses to your Money Manager budgeting tool. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.